Boingo provides neutral host connectivity in large venues like airports, transportation hubs, military bases, stadiums, and we build out converged networks with our carrier partners around the U.S. and the world. Boingo is playing a big part in enabling the 5G future. As 5G is coming into play, we're working with our carrier partners to build out 5G into some incredible locations like the MTA, Long Island Railroad, and the new ESA tunnel. So when you look at all the locations we're in, all the businesses we work with, all the capabilities that are coming, it's an incredible time to be at Boingo. The role that CTIA has played since it started in 1984, on top of all the great things it's done in government and working with the government agencies and being the voice of American wireless. Today, what we're seeing from CTIA is what's happening in spectrum and getting more spectrum available for the operators and for the end users in the United States. Meredith and her team have just done a phenomenal job, and it's really great for Boingo to be a part of that.